The humble key holder, though small in size, offers an expansive canvas for creativity, craftsmanship, and even commerce. For woodworkers, both hobbyists and professionals alike, crafting wooden key holders is more than just assembling a few hooks on a board. It's an intimate process that merges functional design with decorative flair, all within the framework of a manageable and accessible project. In the world of woodworking, few items provide such a perfect balance of quick completion, artistic opportunity, practical use, and potential for income generation as the wooden key holder. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden key holder or key organizers, design ideas, home decor, and income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of the experience is the joy of making something both beautiful and useful. Key holders serve a clear function to keep keys organized and accessible, but they also offer the chance to introduce charm and personality into a space. This dual purpose makes them especially rewarding to create. For many woodworkers, the journey begins with a simple idea. How can this everyday item be transformed into a small work of art? That question alone sparks a multitude of creative possibilities, from rustic farmhouse styles to sleek modern designs, from whimsical shapes to monogrammed elegance. Each version reflects the hand and eye of the maker, and that creative freedom is a powerful motivator. Wooden key holders are especially inspiring because they don't require vast quantities of materials or complex joinery. A few offcuts from previous projects, a bit of sanding, some stain or paint, and a handful of hooks, and you're on your way. But what they lack in size, they make up for in the opportunity for precision and detail. Every curve, bevel, engraving, or carved element is a chance to practice and refine skills. Whether it's experimenting with wood-burning techniques, trying out new finishes, or integrating other materials like metal or leather for a mixed media effect, key holders provide an ideal project to push boundaries in a low-risk, high-reward environment. For woodworkers aiming to generate income, key holders are an especially smart product to include in their offerings. They have broad appeal, low production costs, and high perceived value when crafted with care. Because they are small and light, they are also easy to ship, making them perfect for online marketplaces like Etsy or craft-focused platforms. In local markets or craft fairs, key holders consistently draw attention because they are not only useful but often personalized. A name, a quote, or even a house number can turn a standard key holder into a custom piece that resonates with buyers. That personal touch is what helps such items stand out and become meaningful to customers. Selling key holders can also serve as an entry point into custom decor work. A well-crafted piece might lead to requests for matching items, a mail sorter, a wall-mounted shelf, or a coat rack, all in the same style. These projects naturally grow in scope and complexity, and soon, what began as a small piece becomes the foundation for a wider brand or product line. This kind of organic growth is common in woodworking, where one simple project often paves the way for bigger ventures. The accessibility and appeal of key holders make them a smart starting point for turning a passion into a side hustle, or even a full-time business. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. But beyond the commercial potential, crafting wooden key holders speaks deeply to the personal joy of working with one's hands. There's an intimacy to the process, from selecting the wood to imagining how the grain will show through the finish, to deciding on the spacing of the hooks. Even the act of mounting it on a wall carries satisfaction, knowing that every key hung, every door opened, and every routine made simpler has its roots in your craftsmanship. It's a daily use item, and every use becomes a quiet reminder of the day you made it. That connection is what elevates woodworking from task to art. Key holders also offer a unique way to engage with the idea of home decor. In the world of interior design, it's the small accents, the objects that add character and purpose to space, that often leave the strongest impression. A key holder can serve as a focal point in an entryway, blending seamlessly into a home's aesthetic or standing out as a bold design element. Whether the style is minimalist, boho, Scandinavian, industrial, or traditional, a wooden key holder can be crafted to match or enhance the look. That versatility makes them ideal gifts and great items for custom orders. Woodworkers who approach these projects with an eye for decor trends often find greater success, both creatively and commercially. Using trending finishes like matte black hardware, aged brass, or reclaimed wood adds market value. Exploring popular motifs like mountain silhouettes, floral carvings, or geometric patterns keeps designs fresh and appealing. And because the entryway is a space many homeowners seek to elevate, key holders naturally attract attention as one of the first decor pieces a guest may see. On a personal level, many woodworkers find that key holder projects serve as moments of meditation. They provide just enough challenge to be engaging, yet are small enough to finish in a day or a weekend. That means less time spent waiting and more time enjoying the finished product. For those who juggle woodworking alongside jobs, family, or other responsibilities, the ability to start and finish a project in a short window of time is energizing. It reaffirms the joy of making and keeps the creative fire burning. There's also something meaningful about the concept itself, a key holder. Keys symbolize access, trust, and safety. They open doors, lock away treasures, and represent responsibility. Creating a piece to hold them is more than practical, it's symbolic. You're not just crafting an object, you're making a home for the things that help unlock life. When made with intention and care, that meaning is woven into the wood itself. In community settings, key holders make excellent projects for group builds or woodworking classes. Their simplicity makes them approachable for beginners, while the range of possible designs keeps them interesting for experienced woodworkers. Sharing techniques, finishes, and ideas around key holder crafting fosters collaboration and learning, turning the workshop into a place not just of making, but of connection. They become conversation starters, both at the bench and in the homes where they hang. In the end, wooden key holders encapsulate much of what makes woodworking so deeply fulfilling. They are practical yet personal, simple yet full of possibility. They invite creativity, provide a platform for skill development, and offer a gateway into decor design and small-scale entrepreneurship. For many, they are the first step into the broader world of woodcraft, a project small enough to tackle, yet rich enough to inspire. As your hands move over the grain, as the hooks go in, as the final coat dries and the piece is mounted, you're not just making something. You're participating in a craft that honors both form and function. Whether for your own wall, a customer's home, or a gift to a loved one, a wooden key holder is more than an object. It's a quiet testament to the enduring beauty of handmade work and to the maker's enduring desire to create, to share, and to inspire. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden key holder or key organizers, design ideas, home decor, and income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.